poppin'? It's your girl Angel Sky, and I'm coming at you with another banger video. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look with clusters from Amazon and little individual hairs at the bottom for very cheap, because eyelash extensions are very expensive. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stick around. At home, I'm going to be doing the tops and the bottoms, and that's what you're going to need. And you're also going to need a pair of tweezers, and this looks a little crazy, but this false mascara that you can get either at Walmart or like Sephora and Ulta and things like that. Just look at around your surrounding areas. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with these clusters by Quewel. Everything is going to be down in the description box below. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I got the side that says Bond. I'm going to just go ahead and do that. My number 16 millimeters right under the lash line. Like so. Like so. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my 14 millimeters. Go right in with the 14 millimeters. This is going to create like that kind of dramatic look. I'll go in and put it right up under there. And then I'm gonna go back in with my 16. The sealant side, just go like that. Go like that, go like that. And I like to try to get a little bit close to the top. Make sure you get this. That's one eye down, and I'm gonna do the bottom half. So you guys, now I have the Quewel individual ones that are gonna go on the bottoms. I think I want to use either 10 or 11 because 9 is like my natural eyelash bottoms length. So I'm going to start off by going in again with the Bond. I want to make sure I put some sealant just in case it gets on the top, because I don't want them sticking to each other. So here we go. I am going to go in with the 10. So I got tiny little hairs, and I'm going to right on there. I grab the smallest amount of hairs like at a time, like one. I'm just placing those on there. As you can see, this shouldn't really take me a long time. So I'm just gonna continue to do that, and I'll be back. So what it's looking like so far. But I have more right here, closer to the front. Now that I added just a tad bit more, guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up and get those fingers moving in the comments. Make sure you also subscribe. I'll see you guys next video.
Give me a really good feeling. Oh, yeah.